First jet landing. First jet landing. You flew a jet. That's fantastic.
That was awesome.
Go back this way. Yeah, we'll park right over here. Go ahead and disconnect whenever you're ready. One hand on the throttle there, looking really good.
Our tower here, 752 my roll, short 2 forward, ready for spark and release.
And you just do a nice job of hand flying. Nice, easy grip. Aiming right at those white boxes. Looking really good, my man. Take a little of that power out. Oh, there you go, right there.
They're a little high anyway, right?
Yep. Give the power right where it's at.
This feels so much better coming in.
Feel nice. Start bringing a little bit more power out, just a little. Right there, hold it. Keep the nose right here, right down. Power to idle. And then just sit here, hold it off. Nice job. Keep holding it off. There it is. Beautiful. There you go. Count to 2. 1, 2. Now come on the brakes.
Cirrus 2, way 24,
cool. Nice job, my man.